When you're renovating or building a home, it is very important that you install the insulation. Why? It's because the insulation will keep your house warm in the winter and cool in the summer. So this is the same thing for our mind. Our insulation is called resilience. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello. My name is Danoue Goueth. I am a confidence and mindset coach. I am a mom, a wife, and a former stay-at-home mom. My mission as a coach is to empower women over 40 to build unshakable confidence, overcome limiting beliefs with ease, and achieve extraordinary success so they can live the life of their dreams. Welcome to the Mind Renovation Series, episode 7. And this episode is called Insulation. Today we are going to talk about resilience. If you find this topic interesting, don't go anywhere. All right, beautifuls, before I start with this episode today, I just want to remind you that you are watching the Mind Renovation. For those of you who haven't watched the previous episodes yet, I would suggest that you go and watch them so you can understand what I am doing here. The idea is um, comparing our mind renovation to a home renovation. So that's why throughout all the episodes, you will hear me, talking about home a lot and mind renovation a lot. So I just wanted to let you know because I don't want you to get lost in the middle of episode 7 here if you haven't seen the previous episodes yet. When you're renovating or building a home, it is very important that you install the insulation. Why? It's because the insulation will keep your house warm in the winter and cool in the summer. So this is the same thing for our mind. Our insulation is called resilience. Resilience acts as a protective layer that helps us navigate life's challenges and also helps us stay strong in the face of adversity. If you don't have a good insulation in your home, you will be so uncomfortable and your energy bills would skyrocket. Insulation is just like a buffer protecting you from the harsh external temperatures. Similarly, our mental insulation, which is resilience, protect our minds and emotions from the extreme highs and lows of life. When we build resilience, we can better handle stress, setbacks, and challenges without feeling overwhelmed. There are 4 methods that we need to build resilience. What are they? Let's dive deeper. The first one is to develop a positive mindset. Imagine you're living in a well insulated home. It will stay cozy even when the temperature is harsh outside. This is the same thing for your mindset. When you're developing a positive mindset, you focus on all the good things in life and you practice gratitude, it will help you stay positive even when things get tough. When you are facing a difficult situation, your positive mindset will act like that installation and it will make things easier for you to stay calm and hopeful in the situation, no matter how harsh the situation is. The second one is to build strong relationships. If you decide to install insulation in every single room in the house, each room will be comfortable and more energy efficient. So this is the same thing in life. If you decide to build a network of good people, either in every areas like at work, um, your family or among your friends, you will feel more resilient because you know that if anything harsh happen, you have people that you can count on to help you, to bring you that comfort and that strength, right? To help you navigate through those challenges successfully. The third method is to practice self care. In the home analogy, regular maintenance will ensure that the installation remains effective. And this is the same thing in life. Self care practices like exercise, healthy eating, and good sleeping habit can also keep your mental insulation strong. So, regular self-care keeps your resilience strong and help you handle stress better and bounce back from challenges. When you finally overcome a difficult challenge, you learn from that experience, you upgrade your resilience, and you become more or better equipped to handle future challenges. The fourth method is to learn from your experiences. In your home, you might need to upgrade or just replace your old insulation because it's not working so well, to make your house more efficient. So, this is the same thing. Learning from our experiences is just like upgrading our mental insulation because each lesson learned will make us stronger and more resilient. All right, beautifuls, if you've been watching my videos for quite some time, you know by now that I like to pause right in the middle of my video to acknowledge you so I can ask you some questions. My question for you today is, what is one thing that you are struggling with and you think that you would like to build resilience against? Write your comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And this is also the time for me to invite you to like, subscribe, and share my videos with anyone you think might benefit from them. Thank you in advance for the support. If you are struggling with some challenges in life and you need a coach to help you build that resilience that you deserve, click the link down below and book a free assessment call with me. From there, we will determine if we are a good fit for each other or if I am the best coach for you. Summer is right around the corner. If you're looking for beautiful accessories, jewelry to elevate your outfit for the summer, click the link of my boutique down below. I am sure that you're going to find something that fits your needs. But if you are on Poshmark and you prefer to shop there, that's okay. Click the Poshmark link down below to join me there. Before we conclude this video today, I want to remind you that you are watching the Mind Renovation Series, episode 7, Insulation. And today we talk about resilience. By developing a positive mindset, building strong relationships, practicing self care, and learning from your past experiences, you can create a more resilient mind that is ready to handle whatever situation comes your way. All right, beautifuls, thank you so much for watching this video today. As usual, it was a pleasure recording it for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share with friends and family, and subscribe. This is Danoue Goueth, always empowering you to rise above the noise and embrace the true you. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.